Today, we're going to look at installing a fresh copy of Joomla 4 onto a clean server. Now, most hosting nowadays will allow you to install an application and do it all for you, but we're going to look at using FTP and installing it manually. To help us do this, we have already downloaded the zip file for Joomla 4.1.4. On our hosting, we've created a MySQL database and recorded the username, the database name, and the password, and we have also uploaded the zip file via FTP onto the server. The reason why we do this is it's usually quicker to extract a zip archive on your hosting than it is to upload the individual files. Now that we have uploaded the Joomla archive and extracted the files, when we browse to the website, it will automatically start the installation process. The first thing we do is to select which language we want to install it in, and then we need to give it a site name. Then we click Setup Login Data to go to the next page where it asks for the user details. And we click this Setup Database Connection. Here we enter the details that we recorded earlier on. Now we install it. If everything installed correctly, then we will get this message here where we can install additional languages. It is showing us a display error for actually set to on. This we can ignore, although on production sites we recommend making sure this is turned off. And now we can open the site or open the administrator. So if we go to the site first, here we can see a standard Joomla website on Joomla 4 as it starts off. Now log into the back end, use the details that we used to set it up with. And there we go. That is how easy it is to install Joomla 4 now.